All right, here we go. All right, today is Friday. Today is Friday the 6th. I'm sorry, baby. They are. All right. The agenda's on the sideboard. You did the study guide first for the warm up. We've been doing that all week. I just want to know what problems you know how to do on your own. Just try. Even if they're challenging, just try. All you gotta do is just try. Okay. The next thing on the agenda for today. What's the teacher? That's too far. Pick a teacher that's closer, okay? Because you gotta come all the way down here. Try Mr. Heron. All right, here. You need to make sure that you bring it back before class is over. You said Yakulo? Okay. All right, so we worked on the study guide. I'm gonna model. I'm gonna review, but I am gonna model fraction exponents today, okay? And that'll be your laws of exponents. After which you're gonna finish up the foldable. I'm gonna show you how to cut it, paste it, put it together. You're gonna finish the foldable and put it into your notebook. And then there is a check your understanding sheet on laws of exponents that I need for you to do. And that is going to be for a grade. Okay? That's on the agenda for today. You're welcome, babe. All right. Okay, so I forgot to give you the whiteboards. Did I give you whiteboards? I did. All right. So make sure you put your whiteboard in front of you. I'm going to give you a marker. 5, 6, 1, 4, 9. Can you pass this back to that last table back here and over to that table, today's table? 3, 2, yeah, just 7. I'm missing 7. All right. Okay. I'm gonna use one of y'all's markers. Okay. All right. So make sure you have a whiteboard and a marker in front of you. All right. As a review, we're gonna do the review like we've been doing these last couple days to make sure that you understand. We have exponent base relationship. We have 5 to the 7th power. I need you to label the 7 and the 5. Which one is the exponent? Which one is the base? Hold it up, please. Pause for the calls. All right, so this is your exponent. Shh. This is your base. I need you to write the definition for exponent and the definition for base. Exponent is how many times to multiply the base. Base is the number that's being multiplied. Okay, so good job there. All right, let's write this in exponential form. We're going to write or express this number in exponential form. Or sometimes people will say exponent form. We have 8 to the 5th power. We're going to express that in exponential form. Perfect. Very good, very good, very good, very good. Very good. Very good, very good, very good. Very good, babe. Very good. Very good, very good, very good, very good, very good. Okay? Very good. All right. So we write that as 8 times 8 times 8 times 8 times 8. 8 is being multiplied 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, good deal. Okay. One person from each table, please go and pick up enough erasers for each person at your table. It's in the bag that's sitting on the back table. Okay? Let's do that quickly. Let me pause for the calls. All right, let's try a problem that looks like this. Let's suppose that we have 3a b to the second power times negative 2a b to the third power. Let's see if you can come up with the answer for that. Yep, we already did this before. Now you got to apply. Application is so important. This is where we kind of mess up sometimes. It's because you learn the concept and then you don't know how to apply what you learn. Okay, because it doesn't look exactly like something else. But this is application. You have to take what you learn and apply it. Okay, not quite, baby. Not quite. No fractions here. Maybe not. Nope, no fractions here. Nope. What operation is between those parentheses? Mm-hmm. Almost though. The number is right. The A, yeah, that's right. The B, the exponent on B is wrong. You almost had it though. Oh no. Very good. We got one person that has it. Not quite. The exponent on A is wrong. The other exponents are right. Okay? The exponent on B is wrong. Everything else is right. The exponent on A is wrong. The exponent on B is wrong. That is correct. Jemiah, you got it 100%. Okay, so we got 3 people that's got 100%, 4 people, 5 people, 6 people. Okay, 7 people. Oh, what's the exponent on that A? No. Yes, that's right now. That's right now. That's right now. Come on, y'all. Y'all. I like that word. I love when people say y'all. Y'all. It's country. Y'all get them in here get some breakfast. And we are very country in my family. All right, here we go. Let me make sure I record this part. You're going to multiply. Let's multiply the numbers first. What is 3 times a negative 2? That's how we get negative 6. Let me write it down this way. All right, so now we're going to multiply this. We got 1a times 1a. So you add the exponents together. What is 1 plus 1? 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. Here, you got 2 plus what? 3. So my answer is going to be negative 6a to the what? Second power, b to the what? Fifth power. Okay. All right. Now let's erase and let's do another one. Shh. Not paying attention. Shh. No. Be quiet. Y'all kill me when the going gets tough. When something gets difficult, y'all just so quick to. I mean, that is so annoying. You are acting as if you can't take a challenge. Like my dad would be like, life is hard. Exactly. Life is going to be. There's gonna be challenges everywhere you go. Like you give up just because something is hard, you're gonna be giving up forever. Cut that out. All right, here we go. Let's do 3. I'm gonna stay in the easy lane, Miss Reyes. X squared y. Let's do to the 5th, okay? All right, and let's multiply it. Let's do 4x y to the 3rd, okay? See if you can do that. You got this, okay? Same thing that I just did. You're gonna do it for this. Let me pause the video. All right, so let's see what we got. We're going to multiply the numbers first, right? What is 3 times 4? We got 12. So now we're going to multiply exponents that have like bases. So we add the exponents when you multiply exponents with like bases. So that's going to be 2 plus what? 1 is automatically a 1 here. And then for this one, it's going to be 5 plus what? 3. So my final answer is going to be 12x to what power? The third power. Y to what power? The eighth power. Okay, questions? Okay, let's try another one. Let's do -8 c to the fifth d times 2c to the fourth d to the sixth. Okay, you can do it. Got this, baby. Yes, you are. There's nothing wrong with that. Y'all cut that out. Positive. So we got negative what when you multiply the numbers? 16. Don't forget that. So now with C, what are we going to add here? 5 plus 4. D, what are we going to add here? 1 plus 6. So my final answer is going to be -16. C to the what power? C to the ninth power. D to the what power? 7. Okay, raise your hand if you're okay with problems that look like this. Okay, so we're going to do just a couple more for those that are not comfortable. Let's do one more, okay? Let's try. Don't forget to multiply, add the exponents of the variables, okay? All right, so let's try another negative. Let's make this one positive first. Let's do a +7, okay? Letter, let's do N. Let's do NY. Let's do Y to the fifth. Now let's do -3 N to the sixth. Okay? That's it. Let me pause it. Okay, so here we're going to multiply a +7 times a +3. That's a negative. Did I say what I say? A +3. Okay. Meant negative. Thank you. All right. So now let's do this. We got N. What are we adding together? What's the exponent? 6 and 1. 1 plus 6. Y. 5. Just the 5. So my final answer is going to be -21 N to the what power? 7th. Y to the 5th. Okay? Raise your hand if you're still struggling a little bit. Okay. All right. Okay, let's move to another type. Let's try this one, okay? Let's try 15 A. Let's do A to the 6th power, B to the 5th power, divided by, let's do -3 A to the 4th. Let's do B. See if you can do this. No, you don't. Shh. Let's look at it. Let's divide the numbers first. What is 15? What is 15 divided by a -3? 5. -5. So we got -5 as a whole, an integer. Now we got to subtract the exponents because you're dividing. That's A, 6 minus 4. Top exponent minus bottom exponent. B, 5 minus what number? 1. It's automatically a 1 exponent if you don't see it. So my final answer is -5, A to the what power? A to the 2nd power, B to the what? 4th. Okay? All right, let's try another one. You okay? I was confused. I looked at it and it was like Yeah, it's not too bad. All right, let's do this one. Let's do 20. Let's do A, B to the 7th, C to the 8th, divided by, let's do 4, A, B to the 6th. Okay, see if you can do this one, okay? Okay, so look, let's divide the numbers first. We have 20 divided by 4. What does that give you? That gives you 5. So you got a whole number or an integer of 5. So now we got A, 1 minus 1. B, what are we subtracting? 7 minus 6. C, 8 minus 0, or just 8, right? So we got 5, A to the 0 power, B to the what power? 1, C to the what power? 8. What's A to the 0 power? It's 1. 1 times, what's 1 times 5? 5. Huh? So thank you, babe. So we got 5 here, B to the first, or just B, C to the 8th. Okay? A to the 0 power means don't multiply A at all. So just remove it. Any questions? Yeah. What's your question? Oh, it doesn't have. Okay. All right, let's try another one. Negative 35. Oh, let's do 35, not 37. That's right, yes. Negative 35. We got NP to the 7th divided by a negative 5 N to the 2nd P. Exponent on N is wrong. 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 Perfect. Exponent on N is wrong. 7 is right. You put 7 in the wrong location. Very good. Yours is right. No negative exponent. Exponent on N is wrong. That's good. Very good. Good. Very good. No. Check with Anthony. No. Almost. The exponent on N is wrong, but it's almost right. Very good. Exponent on N is wrong. Very good, Chloe. Very good. Exponent is wrong. You're right now. Yes. Exponent on N is wrong. Very good. Oh, wait, honey. No, it was right. I was looking at hers. Can you hold it up one more time? What's the 171? Or is that just, what is that? Is that a 71? It's supposed to be just 7, okay? All right. Yes, that's correct. Mm-mm. All right, let's look at it. Okay. I didn't mean to record all of that. All right, what's a negative divided by a negative? It's a positive. What's 35 divided by 5? So we got positive 7. Then we're going to have N, top exponent, 1 minus 2. P, top exponent, 7 minus 1. So then what does that give me? 7 N to the what power? N to the what power? Negative 1, somebody said. Good job. P to the what power? 6. Can't have a negative exponent. How do you make it positive? 7 doesn't have a negative exponent. Leave it there. We'll put n down to the bottom to make it a positive 1. And then leave P. It's not a negative exponent. This is your answer. Okay. Come on, Parker. Sit up. All right, let's try this one.
Let's go, Parky butt.
40. 40. We have A, C, D to the 5th. Let's make C to the 2nd, okay? And then we have -8, C to the 3rd. Let's divide. Shh, don't do that. What is 40 divided by a -8? -5. Now we got A. We only have A. We don't have A on the bottom, so that's fine. Now we have C, top exponent minus bottom exponent. So that's 2 minus the 3. Then we have D, and we don't have a D on the bottom. Okay? So let's simplify. This gives me a -5, A, C to what power? -1, and then D to the 5th. Can't have a negative exponent. How do you make C to the -1 a positive exponent? Very good. So we have -5, A, D to the 5th, and bring C down to the bottom. Do I have to put a positive 1 here? No, it's automatically 1 as an exponent if you don't see it. Okay? This is your answer. How you feel? You okay, Samaj? Okay. Parker? What's wrong? All right. We're going to try another one. You ready for another one? Mason, what about you? You're good? All right. I think everybody else. What about you, Ian? That last one was kind of crazy. Are you okay now? Sure.
I couldn't teach someone it, but I could.
Okay. Well, that's my job. I got that.
Yeah.
I just want you to learn it, okay, baby?
No, I'm saying I could have corrected it.
Oh, okay. Gotcha. All right. Yeah, with practice, you'll get there, okay? All right, so we're going to try this one. We have 50. Let's do a different letter. Somebody give me a letter. Z. All right, so we got Z. All right, I'm going to do YZ. It has to be in ABC order. So let's do YZ, okay? All right, so let's do YZ. Let's make the Z to the 7th power, okay? And let's do a negative. Bless your heart, Lord. Let's do a negative 25, okay? Let's do Y to the 4th, Z to the 4th, okay? Pause for the cause. Okay, so let's look. You said you get lost when it comes to the letters. What about you, Samaj? Where you get lost, baby? You know? Okay. Oh, bless your heart. Yeah, the ones that you've already done, you already said. Okay. All right, so you ready, sweetie? You got this part correct. 50 divided by a -25, is -2. So you good. All right, cool. So you see how you got Y on the top and Y on the bottom? Okay. So you're going to subtract the exponents because they have like bases. The exponent here, if you don't see it, is automatically 1. So it's top exponent minus bottom exponent. You got it so far? Top exponent minus bottom exponent. Do you understand that? And then Z, again, top exponent minus bottom exponent. Do you see what I did there? 7 minus 4. You okay? All right. So now let's do our final answer. We got -2y. What's 1 minus 4? Mm-hmm. You got it? -3. And then we have 7 minus 4. What's 7 minus 4, babe? 3. So you see how this is a negative exponent here? To make it a positive exponent, just move it to the bottom. So what you have is positive exponent, keep it on the top. Negative exponent, move it to the bottom. Now it's a positive 3. Positive exponent, leave it alone. See? This is your answer. Okay, Ian, you got that right this time, so you feel better? Okay. Samaj, how are you feeling? You got it? Mason? Yeah, you need more practice, right? Okay. All right. So let's try this one. We're going to do one more, okay? Okay. You okay? So let's do 60 on the top. And let's do W. Let's do WY. Okay. Jesus. And let's do to the 8th power. Let's do negative 12. W. Let's do W to the 2nd. Let's do Y to the 5th, okay? See if you can do that. All right, this one is much better. Nathaniel, did you get this one? Okay. All right, so what's 30? Sorry, not 30. 60 divided by a negative 12. Negative 5. So now, top exponent minus bottom exponent. That's 1 minus 2. Top exponent minus bottom exponent. Shh. 8 minus 5. So now we have negative 5. W to what power?
1. Negative 1.
Negative 1. Y to what power?
3.
3. To make this a positive exponent, move it down to the bottom of the fraction. So that's negative 5. Y to the 3rd divided by W to the 1st power, or just W. Questions? All right. I'll show you fraction exponents real quickly, okay? Here's your fraction exponents. This is going to be easy. If you have 25, watch Miss Reyes, please, to the 1/2 power, your top number is exponent. Your bottom number is the root. So, Miss Reyes, how do you write this? Please watch. You write this as 25, exponent is 1, 2 square root. What is the square root of 25? Your answer here is 5.
Oh, so it's divided by itself? Divided by what?
Not list. I'm confused. You sound like you have a list.
Okay, I'm confused.
That's okay. We're going to do another one. Okay? Shh. Please watch this one, okay? You have 36. I'm going to start off with easy first, okay? 36, 1 to the 1/2 power. 1/2 as an exponent. The top number is the exponent. The bottom number is the root. Okay? So here what we have. 36, what's the exponent? 36 to the 1st power. And then what root? 2nd root, or square root. What is 36 to the 1st power?
6.
No, 36 to the 1st power is just 36. What's the square root of 36? Your answer here is 6. Okay, you ready to try one?
Yeah.
Right. Let's do 49 to the 1/2 power. Try this one.
What number divided by what? Wait, what number times itself can you get to 49? Right?
I need you to show your work. Very good, baby. Very good. Very good, very good. Very good, very good. Very good. Show Parker. Oh, you got it. Very good, very good. Very good, very good, very good. Very good, very good. Very good. Very good. Very good, sweetie. Very good, baby.
7.
7. All right. Very good. So look, 49 to what power? Which one of these numbers is the exponent? 1. The top one. Very good.
Numerator.
The numerator. Which one is the root? The denominator. So 49 to the first power is just 49. What's the square root of 49? 7. Okay, you ready? All right, let's try this one. Let's do 6 to the... Yes, it is. 4. Let's do 4 over 3. How would we write this? Watch, Miss Reyes. Please watch. This is the exponent. What's the bottom number? The root. So this is cube root. So it's going to be 6 to what power? The fourth power and what root? Third root. Okay? What I just said. The cube is asking for the cube root of 6 to the fourth. Oh yeah, you do that. You can, don't try to do that in your head. You can do that in the calculator.
I didn't know you could do square roots like that.
Yeah, you can go up. You can do any root. Fourth root, fifth root, sixth root, seventh root, eighth root. The most common one is square root, which is 2. Okay. There's no such thing as a 1 root. That's why when you see a square root symbol, it just means 2, because there's no such thing as a 1 root.
Is that already the square root symbol?
Yes, this is already the square root symbol. You don't have to put a 2 there because there's no such thing as a 1. Okay. All right, so let's type this in. Cube root. Miss Reyes, how do you type in cube root? I'm going to just show you, even though you can leave your answer as this, but I am going to show you how to type it in. All right, so go to math. See math? Cube root. Which one of these do you think is the cube root? You see right here, the fourth one? And the fourth one. Math.
You press second and math.
Just press the math button. You see it now? Okay. All right, so now you're going to type in 6 to the fourth. So that's 6 caret key 4. Close the parentheses. And now you can press enter. What's the answer there? You see that? You got it? All right.
You lost me putting in the... Oh, okay. Yeah, I got it.
Okay. But really, all you have to do is be able to write it like this. It's probably not going to ask you for this to simplify it other than to write it like this. Any questions about that part? All right. See if you can write this. Don't solve it. Just be able to simplify it. All right. Let's do... I don't hear nothing crazy. 9. 5. 3. How would I write that? Perfect. Perfect. Very good, very good, very good, very good, very good. Very good, very good, very good, very good, very good, very good. Very good, babe. All right, excellent job. Very good, babe. So this is 9 to the what power? 5th. And then what root? The cube root or third root. Same thing. Questions? Y'all good on that?
Miss,
All right.
are those little white things cameras?
What little white things?
In the corner?
Those are motion sensors.
Yeah, that's bless your heart. I should have told you, yeah.
So
Oops.